Welcome to the Recipe Files.
Our brand new Good Housekeeping kitchen has just opened, and what better way to launch it than by cooking up some of our most nostalgic recipes from the Good Housekeeping archives. I'm Bridie, social manager here at Good Housekeeping.
And I'm Mel, Good Housekeeping senior food and drink writer.
Some of these recipes date all the way back to 1913, so expect a few surprises and probably a few disasters.
The rules are simple though. We each get a recipe, 60 minutes on the clock, and no clear method to follow. And at the end, there has to be a winner. So Callum, our food and drink testing manager at the Good Housekeeping Institute, will decide who takes the crown.
Full disclaimer, I'm a complete rookie when it comes to cooking, but I'm going in with enthusiasm.
Well, I'm pretty confident at following a recipe, but these archive recipes, honestly, anything could happen. So we'll see.
Let's get into it.
Let's go. Today we are making a giant sandwich.
So when we went back into the archives to look for the recipes we wanted to make, one of the images I found was from the 1970s, and it was a sandwich mountain. So it was literally like the biggest sandwich you've ever seen, but I thought, wouldn't it be fun to try and recreate something similar to that I would actually probably want to eat now?
Yeah.
So I'm excited to see what we can do.
And to make it just a little bit more exciting, we've asked Grace on our cookery team to bring in 4 wildcard ingredients. We have no idea what they are. Okay, so we have grapefruit segments, caperberries, I love caperberries, red onion pickles, chicken Kievs.
I like that though.
Yeah, me too.
As an added challenge, we've only got 20 minutes to make our sandwich mountains. So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Okay, immediately I'm stressed.
I'm putting my chicken Kiev straight in the oven because it's going to take slightly longer than 20 minutes.
I think what I'm going to do is just make multiple different sandwiches that I like individually and then put them all together and hope for the best.
Okay, so I need to admit something to you.
Tell me.
People outside of the office call me the sandwich queen.
So you're telling me this now?
So this is my time to shine.
So I'm going for a mix of slices. I'm trying to kind of visualize it. Probably need this for the base because it's bigger, but it's a bit floppy. This feels like a more kind of sturdy base, but it's small. Am I spending too much time on the bread? Probably. What are you going to do, Mel?
So the way I'm going to incorporate grapefruit into my sandwich is I'm going to take some of the juice and mix it with mayonnaise. I think it will
so clever.
It will just add like a nice little like zesty creaminess.
Wait, so you're not going to use the flesh of the grapefruit?
I've not decided that far yet, but definitely going to use the juice.
Always need mayo on a sandwich. Should probably strategize this a little more.
Okay, I'm just going to mix that together.
I'm going to go for a little ham and I'm going to go for a cheddar. Going to keep it simple with the base.
Pretty good.
I've got to get my skates on. A dilly-dally.
Yeah, true. We've only got 20
I don't have time
minutes.
to dilly-dally.
Okay, butter is non-negotiable with a sandwich. Every single piece of bread has to have it.
No, disagree.
In my world, it does anyway.
Sorry, sandwich queen. This is where I'm going to bring in my pickles. I think like an onion, cheese and lettuce like pickle situation feels right.
That's a lot of onion.
You just
Sorry.
mind your business.
Sorry. Hey, you know what?
I'm going to go salami. Pepperoni rather.
I'm going the extra mile.
What are you doing? Oh, eggs.
Yeah. I'm going to fry an egg because I want my cross section to look really good.
You're thinking about cross sections.
Yeah. Have you figured out how you're going to use your caperberries in your sandwich yet?
No, I'm waiting for the inspiration to strike.
Okay. Have you tried a caperberry before?
No.
That's the first step. I think you need to try your ingredient, figure out what it tastes like, and then you'll be able to go from there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef. Sorry.
Okay.
Caperberries are great.
They're lovely, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh my God.
There's absolutely no method to this madness that I'm constructing.
Yeah, I haven't really thought about it either.
All right, I'm just gonna place those on there.
All right, I'm gonna crack my egg in. I think we're gonna feel like we need a nap after eating this. Oh, that's quite slippery. Oh no.
Wait, so if it falls, do I win?
Oh yeah, but I think the skewer is gonna help a lot.
Like, I need to actually just chill out on the mayo.
Oh.
No!
I still have to freaking get my Kiev in here. Oh no. Oh no.
No!
Oh, that looks so good. Done. Yes! That was stressful. I've gone for a really calorific heart attack style sandwich. So yeah, that's mine. It's going to be very rich. Lots of water will be consumed after eating this for sure.
So mine, I'm just a real kind of simple salad sandwich girl at heart. So I have gone for that today, and I kind of lost my way probably at the 5th layer. Stressed about time, just started throwing in things that I could see with my eyeballs. But I think she's going to be delicious, and that's all that counts, what's inside.
Firstly, I think we need to compare whose is taller. Shall I bring mine over to yours?
Yeah, bring it over. Oh, she's soggy.
I think I've just won in height because of the last minute.
That's cheating. That's like putting fat
No,
on and
it's an ingredient, so it's very much in line with the rules.
This is impressive.
What do you think?
I'm so excited.
Firstly, we need you to give us your thoughts on which looks better.
I love a Kiev, man. This is exciting. The grapefruit's hidden, which is terrifying. Is that an egg?
Yeah.
Woohoo! This feels like a big, basically what killed Elvis, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
It's a heart attack sandwich form.
I know, it is very impressive.
Healthy.
Yes. Too much
Made
green.
like a healthy mountain of sandwich.
That wasn't my intention. I do like good salad sandwich, but then I
What
panic.
sandwich? A salad sandwich?
Yeah, like when you're in school and you've
Oh,
got
that sounds horrific.
that. Taste it at least.
No, this looks good. Let's go.
Okay, we're gonna cut a cross section, reveal the inside, and then we're gonna get you to taste a little bit of both.
Oh, yes, please.
Oh, I'll tell you what,
Very well done.
Solid cutter.
it's pretty sturdy. Okay, this is high stakes. Please tell me that there's garlic butter coming out of the chicken Kiev. Oh, look at that cross section. I think I've won. You don't even have to try. Let's just look at that, and it's holding up.
You actually have one. I've got to take my sandwich and leave. This is
No.
embarrassing.
It's just like a really good classic Italian sandwich, right?
Nice.
I have a big grilled escalope guy in there.
Yep.
It's delicious.
Haven't
Like proper
skimped on.
salami.
Yeah, I haven't skimped on any of the ingredients. Okay.
Textures are really good as well.
Nice.
Like different kinds of ham, different kinds of bread.
Crispiness.
Crispiness is really good. I mean, put a deep fried chicken in anything, I'm going to be very excited.
True. Okay, nice.
Yeah?
Shall we move on?
All right, let's cut her. Okay.
Okay.
I think you should have tasted mine first, really.
No.
Okay, go on.
Give everyone a fair. No.
Oh,
no,
sorry, I was-
shot. You know what? I'll do yours whole. That's fine.
Come on, try.
You've committed. Yes. Oh no.
Very delicious. It's really, really good.
Is it?
Don't you squint at me. It's delicious.
Hey, do you mean to my sandwich?
Good on you.
I was gassing you up. I was your cheerleader.
The caper berries and pickled onions really, really add something. Do I have to pick a winner?
Yes.
I think this one is the winner, made by Mel.
Yes.
Well done.
Well done.
Queen.
Thanks, Callum.
So that's a point to you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Very well deserved. I'm still proud of mine. I'm still going to eat it. But I didn't win. But do you know what? It's lit a fire under me for the next episode. I am going to win. I'm proud of you, but it's annoyed me. So how are you feeling?
Good. I'm ready for the next challenge. So
I want to eat yours.
yeah, let's eat it. So stay tuned for the next episode of the Recipe Files.